G'day Beeks and Beeks to be. Are you curious about learning more about beekeeping? I have been a beekeeper for over 55 years and rearing queen bees since the 1980s.
Got enough bees in this hive, Nicole?
We might be a little bit short. What do you reckon?
A little bit short. The majority of gear that you see in this particular video has been designed and manufactured by myself. The wheelbarrow that I use is about 30 to 35 years old and serves the purpose very, very well. I place the skateboards on top of the full supers after they're placed on the ute so any remaining bees can escape. This little monorail crane that lifts the supers off the barrow onto the trolleys so that no heavy lifting by the person has to endure. The trolleys hold 3 full supers of honey, around about 150 kilo at a time, and can be wheeled around wherever you want to place them. Both winches can be used at the same time, and it doesn't take very long to be able to unload the ute and place the supers on the trolleys. As nearly all bees are blown out on site with the vermin, mainly small hive beetle, paper is used on top of the full supers of honey so that the small hive beetle cannot penetrate the supers and destroy the honey.
Feel by the weight of them.